Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can replace your daily manual task with smart automation using Pabbly Connect. Many businesses still spend hours doing repetitive works like copying data or updating records manually, but with Pabbly Connect, all of this can be automated easily without any coding. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's switch to my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to automatically share your YouTube video on a Facebook. The moment a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, it should automatically be posted in my Facebook account so that I can increase both views and popularity. So to automate this process, we simply need to create a connection between YouTube and Facebook by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, and this does not require any coding or technical skills. So for creating this amazing automation, just simply follow step-by-step instructions that I will give you in this video. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then simply click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing integration between application, and this will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I will go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. It is in modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I will select this. Next, I am going to enter the workflow name as replace manual task with Pabbly Connect automation. Next, I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect. After that, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully now. So this is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this video, I am going to make a dummy automation between my YouTube account and Facebook. That's why I am taking my trigger application as YouTube. After selecting the application, I am going to select the app event as new video and channel with video URL, as whenever I upload a new video on my YouTube channel, automatically I want to create one post on my Facebook account. That's why I have selected the app event as this. After that, I will click on this connect button. Next, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will click on it. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on the sign in with Google. Next, it will ask me for my permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this continue button. See, my YouTube account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect, where I am going to select the channel ID as demo channel, as I am using this channel right now. So I will click on the save and send test request button. See, because YouTube works on polling time of around 10 minutes, the last uploaded video's data is captured. As you can see that the video title URL match the latest video on my channel. This confirms that the trigger is working successfully. Now let's move to the action step. As I want to make instant post on my Facebook account, that's why I will click on this plus option and going to select my action step as Facebook pages. Next, I will select the app event as create page post. Next, I will click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on this connect with Facebook pages. Next, I will click on this continue button. As you will see that my Facebook account has been successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Next, I am going to select my Facebook page where I want to do the post. Moving forward, I am going to write the message in this field is, hey, check out my new YouTube video. For the link field, I map the video URL from the YouTube trigger response. Mapping is very important here because it makes the data dynamic. This ensures that every time a new video is uploaded, the new video link is automatically used. If we enter the link link manually in this field, it will become static and the automation would fail. After mapping the link, I click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now let's check the Facebook page. Here I am refreshing it. See, automatically a new post has been uploaded in my Facebook page, which includes the message that I have entered on that field as, hey, check out my new YouTube video and the most recent uploaded video. This means that my action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. With the help of this toggle, your workflow will be enabled. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. As I told you earlier, I have created this dummy integration between YouTube and Facebook just to teach you how the automation will work in real time. You can easily customize the same workflow based on your own business requirements. This kind of automation helps you replace repetitive manual tasks and save a lot of time, and it is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, feel free to ask us in the comment section below. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description box, so you can check it out and use it as a reference. But before we conclude, I just want to give you a quick and important reminder. If you are planning to purchase any Pabbly subscription for your business automation needs, make sure to use my exclusive coupon code MEHPC. This coupon helps you to unlock powerful automation features at a discounted price, allowing you to save time, reduce manual tasks, and focus more on growing your business instead of managing repetitive work. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, purchase the Pabbly subscription using my coupon code and start automating your business the same way.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.